You might have created too many WhatsApp groups, or some WhatsApp group might have been redundant and you want to do clean house. To delete a WhatsApp group, first of all, you need to be admin. Okay, so in this video, I'm going to show you how you can delete all those WhatsApp groups. Before I continue, if you're new to this channel, do subscribe to this channel so that you can get more social media tips like this. Without further ado, let me show you how you can delete a WhatsApp group. Let's go. Alright, first of all, open up your WhatsApp app, search for the group that you want to delete. For example, I want to delete testing for YouTube, click on it. Now before you can delete, you need to remove people from your group. So how do you do it? So first of all, click on the group itself, right? Click on the person, then you can see remove from group. Just click on it, remove. Okay, once you remove, you can even see a past member if you want to search. If not, then keep it like that. And then after that, all you need to do is just click on exit group and exit and delete for me. Once you click that, the whole group will be deleted. Now for other people, what they can see is they can see that they have been removed from a group, but the group and the chat history will still be in their chat unless they delete it themselves. But if you delete it this way, that means they won't be able to join this group again, and then you'll be gone. Again, for it to be fully gone, with history and things like that, the person have to personally delete it from their own chat. Okay, you can't delete it for them. Alright? One thing to take note, once you exit the group or delete the group, the media received also will be deleted in the chat from the device gallery. So do take note on that if you want to save all your images and media. And remember, you can't restore a group once it's been deleted. You need to create a new group. I have a video on how to create a new group, so you can watch that if you want to create a new WhatsApp group. Just be careful before you delete everything. So the first step is just to remove people from the group, and then you can delete it after that. So yeah, so this is how you can delete a WhatsApp group. If you like what I share, do give me a like and subscribe to this channel so that you can get more social media tips like this. Thank you for watching, and I see you next time. Bye.